going on, guys? This is Tyler from Showtime. Just gonna hop in here and give you guys a quick how-to video on how to get bed bolts out of truck beds when they've been bed linered over. We're working on a 2018 Toyota Tundra right now, and all the supplies you need are right in front of me here. You got to do your homework and figure out exactly what bit this thing takes, because it's not going to fit in there with the bed liner all over the bolt, and you're going to have to hammer it in there. So you want to make sure you know what size that's supposed to be. Get a hammer to hammer it in. You need a razor blade to trim the bed liner around where the bolt's going to come out, and an impact driver or a hand ratchet will do the same thing, but impact driver kind of zips it up off of that bed liner much quicker. So let's hop into it. Okay, first step is to line this bit up perfectly with the little star shapes that you see in the head there. You just want to make sure you get it centered perfectly. Take your hammer and just start tapping it in until you hit the bottom. That thing's all the way in there, just like that. Hook up your driver to it and slowly start zipping it out. You don't want to lift the bed liner off the bed on accident. It might break around the washer by itself, or you might have to trim it with the razor blade. Like that. Zoom up. That was an easy one. It kept the bolt, the integrity of the bolt. This bolt can be reused depending on how all the rest of them go. We did get all new bolts for this, so if we have to put just silver bolts in there, that'll have to be what it'll be. If the customer wants to get the bed liner resprayed over the bolts, that's okay, but that's how you get them out.